What's up, Sour Slices? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some custom LEGO Modern Warfare minifigures. Now, the reason I'm doing these Modern Warfare minifigures and not like a sort of zombie thing is because the new Call of Duty Modern Warfare game releases in just 5 days, but speaking about Call of Duty Modern Warfare, I'm going to be streaming it on Twitch this Friday, so be sure to go check out my Twitch channel, follow, if you can follow it, it's free, all you need to do is make an account, but yeah. Check it out on Friday. I'll leave a link in the description below. But with that being said, let's get on to the video. Now, for this video, I decided to base these 4 characters off of an image. So, we haven't really seen... Well, the game's not out yet. And so, basically, I've based them off of this image on screen right now. So, basically, in that image, we've got the CIA agent Alex. That's all we know about his name so far. We've got Kyle Garrick, who's the guy in the blue shirt. Well, the dark blue shirt. We've got Captain Price, he's the one with the hat and the beard. And then we've got this new character, Farah. She is a fighter in her own country. So, we're going to start off this with Alex. So, right here, this is Alex. I'll put an image right here in this corner of each of the characters that I'm doing. But this right here is Alex. And I tried to make him as close to the image as I could. So basically what I've done is I couldn't get the sniper rifle that he has in the image, so I had to give him this this 50 caliber sniper rifle instead of a regular 5.56 one he's holding in the image. But as you can see, he's got the blue jeans just like he does in the image. If we turn him sideways, he's got a blue t-shirt like in the image. This is probably the closest hair I could get to his actual hair from the game. It looks pretty similar to me though. And I had to draw on his mustache because I couldn't really find a Lego figure with a beard and a mustache, so I had to give him that. But I'll show you guys how to make him now. So what you're going to want to do is place down your blue jeans, just like that. Next up, you're going to put down the blue t-shirt. Now this blue t-shirt is the Carpenter shirt. He's from like a Lego Minifigures series, but any blue shirt works with short sleeves. This right here is a Brick Arms vest. It's got 2 magazines and a radio. I thought it was closest to the image, so we're going to put that on. And last is his head and hair. And we're just going to put that on. And I think that's pretty good. That is Alex from Modern Warfare. Up next, we've got the SAS Special Forces Kyle Garrick. Now, this one is not as close to the image as Alex is, because in the image he doesn't actually have glasses, but this is probably the closest head that I have to his, because I don't really have many other heads that are, sort of the same tone as Kyle Garrick's. So, but as you can see here, if I turn him to his side, he's just got the same, a different vest as Alex, but it's a Brick Arms vest again. He's got some light tan pants. And he's got this gun. So I'll show you guys the pieces that I've used for this. So the first thing I've used are these tan pants. In the image he's got camouflage pants, but there really are no camouflage Lego pants. So that's probably the closest thing I could do. Next up is this shirt. It's from Jurassic World's Fallen Kingdom. I forgot the dude's name. But yeah, it's this shirt. He comes in the Carnotaurus set. The one with the 2 horns. Next is this vest right here. It's got 3 magazines rather than 2 like on Alex's. So I think it fits closer to the image. It looks like he has more magazines in that image. Alex in the image, he has a radio. So we're just going to put that on right there. And then we're going to give him the head. So we're going to also just give him his gun. I don't have a gun that looks like too close to the image. So I think this one resembles it pretty good. And that is Kyle Garrick from the SAS. Moving on to our third figure, we have Captain Price. Now, I feel like this figure is the one who's the least accurate to the image. I still think he's pretty good looking. Like he's got the hat. He's got, if I turn him sideways, he's got this little watch right there, as you can see. His back is just plain. There's not much there. But yeah, so I think he's the least accurate, but I still think he's pretty good. So I'll show you guys what I did to put them together. I got these custom legs that have like knee pads on them, because in the image we can't see really below his knees, so we don't know if he's got knee pads on or not. For his torso, I got this Anakin Skywalker torso, just because it's the only torso that I have with brown arms. And as you can see, I got this watch. I got it from Brick Republic. This time I'll put a link in the description. I know I said I would with the hospital safe house with the Juggernaut armor, and I didn't because I forgot. I'll put a link to that website in the description of this video, though. Right here is a vest. I couldn't see if Captain Price has any magazines in the image, so he probably does, but since I don't have any other vests with magazines, I've given him this one. It's got a knife and a gun. For his head, I got this. It's like this head with a regular brown beard, but I've drawn on some extra parts of it to make it look thicker like the image. And last part, in the image, he's got actually a green hat, but I've got this desert camouflage hat. I feel like it looks a little bit better than the green one. So we're just going to put that on like that. And then we're going to give him his gun. And that is Captain Price, or Desert Captain Price from the new Modern Warfare. You'll see Captain Price if you watch my stream on Friday. Link in the description. Moving on to our last figure, we have the third playable character. So the three playable characters you're going to be able to play as are Alex, who is this guy, Kyle Garrick from the SAS, who is this guy, and this is the third playable character. You'll be able to play as her in the desert as with Captain Price. Her name is Farah, and she is a rebel in her country. She's fighting off the invaders. On her back here, we've got like this knife and a little clip if you want to hold anything. There's the other side, and there's the front. So as you can see from the image in the top right, she's got like a little red band right there. I couldn't really do that unless I really wanted to cut my vest in half, but I really don't want to cut the vest in half. So she's got this AK-47. In the image, it has no magazine, but I can't take the magazine out of this one, so we're just going to have to leave it like that. And yeah, so as you can see, there's no hairs that really look like the image, or at least I don't have any hairs that look like the image. So this is probably the closest hair that I have. It's just that like half medium long black hair. I'll show you guys how I put her together. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these just gray legs, because in the image it looks like she's got some gray pants. I've got this Star Wars Endor Rebel torso, I'm pretty sure it is. It's light green. It's the closest colored green I could find to the image. This vest, which I got from the link in the description. All the vests, whoops, sorry, I hit my mic. All the vests and the hat that I have for Captain Price, they're all from the link I'll be putting in the description. So this time I will put the link in the description, unlike the Juggernaut armor. But you'll be able to find the Juggernaut armor. I'll put that in the description of this one. Her head and her hair, I just got this regular girl's face. Most of the girl heads that I have, their lips are more red, so I had to use this one because, you know, they're not really red. And in the image, she's not, like, wearing anything on her face. The last part is her AK-47 gun, which I'm just going to put like that. She has it over her shoulder in the image. But, yeah, that is basically how to make some custom Modern Warfare minifigures. I'm going to just angle them like how they are in the image of the screen. He's like that. Let's put him in frame more. And then there's Kyle, who's right there. So, guys, tell me what you thought of this video. If you liked it, then please be sure to leave a like down below. If you're new here, then subscribe. It does help out a lot. And, yeah, be sure to check out my Twitch channel. If you have an account, just follow. It doesn't really require Twitch Prime. Unless you want to subscribe, that requires Twitch Prime. But yeah, be sure to check out the stream on Friday. I'll leave a link to my Twitch channel in the description. Link to Brick Arms in the description, or the Brick Arms reseller I get. And merch link in the description if you want to get some. But